Ever wondered if quitting your job to start a business is the right move? It's a question that many aspiring entrepreneurs grapple with, and the answer could change your life. In this video, we will reveal the key factors you need to consider before making that leap. Missing out on this could mean stepping into entrepreneurship unprepared and facing unexpected challenges. So, stay tuned to discover the essential insights that could make or break your entrepreneurial journey. Number 1. The struggle of quitting a job. Quitting a stable job is one of the hardest decisions anyone can make. Imagine sitting on a balcony at 22, staring out over a condo bought with a good job and thinking, is this it? Is this all there is? Despite graduating from Vanderbilt in 3 years, being president of various organizations, securing a well-paying consulting job, and saving $50,000, billionaire Alex Hormozi once said the feeling of emptiness and depression was overwhelming. The thought of quitting to start a business seemed impossible, but became a necessity for survival. Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, worked as a fax machine salesperson before she took the leap to start her own business. Quitting her job was daunting, especially since she had no experience in fashion design or retail. However, her dissatisfaction with her job and her unwavering belief in her product led her to take the risk. Number 2. Assess your mindset. Understanding your mindset is crucial before making the leap into entrepreneurship. Ask yourself if you are deeply unhappy with your current life. True dissatisfaction can drive the willingness to uproot and change. Entrepreneurship requires immense self-awareness and courage. For example, it took Alex Hormozi months of listening to motivational speeches and confronting fears of failure before making the decision to quit a consulting job and move across the country to pursue a dream in the fitness industry. Howard Schultz, the former CEO of Starbucks, faced significant self-doubt before purchasing the small chain of coffee shops. His drive to create a unique coffee experience and his dissatisfaction with the available coffee options pushed him to overcome his fears and pursue his vision. Number 3. Evaluate your skill set. Entrepreneurship demands a wide range of skills. While a job might require expertise in one specific area, running a business involves understanding demand generation, lead management, sales, fulfillment, people management, and much more. It's not just about having a good idea, it's about executing it effectively. For instance, starting a gym without prior knowledge required learning everything from scratch, which was a significant challenge for Hormozi. Jeff Bezos, before founding Amazon, had a successful career in finance at D.E. Shaw & Co. He used the skills he acquired in finance, coupled with his strong understanding of technology, to launch Amazon. His broad skill set allowed him to navigate the complex world of e-commerce. Number 4. Consider the financial realities. Starting a business often means a temporary decrease in income. According to the Small Business Administration, the median income for a small business owner is $49,000 per year with an average of $73,000. Compare this to your current earnings and lifestyle. Are you prepared for the potential financial strain during the initial years? Living cheaply and managing expectations can help weather the financial challenges of entrepreneurship. Elon Musk invested all of his PayPal earnings into his new ventures, Tesla, SpaceX, and SolarCity, leaving him cash-strapped. For years, he lived on minimal income, putting every dollar into his businesses. This financial strain was immense, but it eventually paid off as these companies grew to be highly successful. Number 5. Are you ready for loneliness? Entrepreneurship is a lonely journey. Unlike a corporate job where colleagues are readily available for support, starting a business means working alone, often without immediate encouragement or validation. For Hormozi, leaving a secure job to start a gym was met with skepticism from family and friends, making the journey even more isolating. Oprah Winfrey, when she first started her own production company, Harpo Productions, faced skepticism and lack of support from many quarters. It was a lonely journey, but her determination and passion for creating meaningful content kept her going. Number 6. Short-term sacrifices for long-term gains. Understand the trade-offs between short-term sacrifices and long-term rewards. It might take several years before your business becomes profitable. This period is critical for learning and growing. For example, making less money for the first 4 years but reinvesting in oneself can eventually lead to substantial gains. Patience and perseverance are key. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, faced numerous rejections from publishers and lived on welfare benefits while she wrote her books. The initial years were financially tough, but her perseverance led to one of the most successful book series in history. Number 7. Alternatives to quitting. Before making the drastic step of quitting, explore other options. 1. Switch companies. If dissatisfaction stems from the current workplace, finding a different company can be a solution. 2. Change job roles. Sometimes, a different position within the same field can reignite passion and satisfaction. 3. Side hustles. Start a side hustle while maintaining your job to test the waters and build necessary skills. Kevin Systrom, co-founder of Instagram, worked at Google while he developed the initial concept for what would become Instagram. He tested and refined his ideas as a side project before committing full-time to his startup, ensuring it had a solid foundation. Number 8. Learning on someone else's dime. Consider staying in a job that allows you to learn and grow. Getting paid to learn is invaluable. Use this time to acquire skills that will be beneficial when you eventually start your own business. For instance, working in different departments can provide a holistic understanding of business operations, preparing you for entrepreneurship. Sheryl Sandberg, before joining Facebook as COO, worked at Google where she led its online sales and operations. The skills and experience she gained at Google were instrumental in her success at Facebook, where she helped the company scale rapidly. Number 9. Realistic expectations. Be realistic about the journey. Many people have unrealistic expectations about becoming wealthy quickly. Understand that entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building long-term value and investing in yourself consistently. Many people expect to become successful entrepreneurs overnight, but the reality is different. For instance, Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia, co-founders of Airbnb, faced years of struggle and numerous rejections before their company became successful. They had to keep realistic expectations and persist through the hard times. Deciding when to start a business depends on individual circumstances. It's crucial to assess your current situation, explore alternative solutions, and prepare for the challenges ahead. The path to entrepreneurship is fraught with difficulties, but with the right mindset, skill set, and realistic expectations, it can lead to fulfilling and rewarding outcomes. Entrepreneurship is not for everyone, and that's okay. Understanding your motivations, preparing for the financial realities, and learning continuously can set you on the right path. If you're intrigued by the idea of taking control of your destiny and pursuing financial freedom, stay tuned for more videos that delve deeper into this exciting journey and reveal the surprises that lie ahead. Subscribe to stay informed and inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.